Welcome to a discussion today of the reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration, and microfiltration world markets. It has a number of features. It's a yearly subscription, so our forecasts are updated continuously, unlike some of the other reports where you get only once every several years do you get an update. Things are actually moving too fast for that kind of analysis. But here you can click on a number of different ways, any of the 50,000 forecasts that are in the report. Now we're looking at the world market for all the membranes and the equipment, but you can actually then break it out by a subject. And you can see that we get into microfiltration, membrane equipment, RO equipment, and membranes, and ultrafiltration. You can break out any of the 50,000 forecasts other ways too. You can certainly break them down by industry, and the industries that we cover are shown here: desalination, chemical, food, metal, mining, etc. So in any country, you can get the desalination and revenues, and you can also get them broken up by microfiltration, ultrafiltration, and RO as well. The another important feature is the update. So we are sending you an update every month or two with top membrane suppliers and all this kind of information, so that this keeps you current as well. We're running hot topic hours. We get into company financials as well here, so that you can actually see company market shares, and we also divide it by RO, UF, and MF. We have a complete networking directory, and you can go in by products, membrane systems, and then you can click on all the suppliers around the world. So it's an extensive database that's got even the people that are designing these systems, like the Burns and Rowe and so forth here, where we have contacts and emails, etc. The analysis is pretty extensive here, and we do this by industry. So you can go in by beer, wine, all these different processes, and learn more about how RO and UF and MF are used in those applications as well. We also have industry analysis segments. So in the mining industry, we only give you a forecast for all the mining uses. But if you want to do a deeper dive, you can go into copper, for instance, and see the McIlvaine forecast for copper in metric tons going out several years in advance. And then we even have an instant forecast segment where, if for mining equipment, for instance, you can put one number in for a given year, and it shows you numbers for all those years. So it's an effective, instantaneous way to use data for one country, one year in one country, and forecast it using the production statistics. We do have updates that you receive for these various industry segments as well. So here would be an update just in the mining segment, but it again is all part of the RO, UF, MF report. The plant databases do give you some information about plants. For instance, here are mining plants, and you can click by the type of facility name, or view facilities by state or other, and then also for Europe. So this again is all part of the RO, UF report. I would like to thank you for taking the time to view this today, and we will look forward to answering any of your questions. This is Bob McIlvaine signing off.